Good morning, students. In a previous class, some of the students are asking in our classroom, sir, please put on a video on dipole moment. Please once again you have to repeat. So now దాన్ని ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తానన్న మన కోసం మన స్టూడెంట్స్ కోసం ఒకవేళ చూడడం వల్ల ఉంటే చూడండి కరెక్ట్ రైట్ dipole moment. So this the dipole moment is topic for a chemical bonding. This is the dipole moment is a very important one for objective exams both IIT and NEET for students. So therefore, what is meant by dipole moment? Dipole moment. Dipole moment. So if we know the meaning of the dipole moment is please splitting as a 2 to 3 types, whatever. So di and next one is a pole. Di and pole and moment. దీన్ని ఈ విధంగా స్ప్లిట్ చేశాను అన్న. ఎలా అంటే di అంటే మనకు తెలుసు ఏంటి 2. Pole is nothing but north pole and south pole. There is a two oppositely charged. That is equal to pole is nothing but there is a positive charge and a negative charge. And movement is equal to distance. Movement is equal to distance. By this is the definition of the dipole moment. So now I have to take one example that is equal to example HCl. HCl, a bond is formed between the two atoms that is equal to covalent bond is existed. So this bond is ultimately moving towards the chlorine atom. So that's why this shared pair of electrons moves towards itself. So it get the ultimately negative charge and we get the positive charge. This is a negative charge and positive charge. So there is a charge is developed. There is a charge is developed. That is one is cation and another one is the anion. That is equal to dipole. Pole is positive and negative and distance. So we have to find the distance. That is known as the dipole moment. So in this equation we have to write the definition of the dipole moment. Mu is equal to E into D. Mu is equal to E into D. So in this equation we have to write the definition. The product of charge and distance between two atoms in a molecule. Is known as dipole moment. ఏమంటున్నాను దీన్ని dipole moment that is equal to symbolize as a mu is known as the dipole moment mu. So this is the definition of the dipole moment. So definition is not considered for the applications, but mainly applications of the dipole moment is very important one. So now I have two applications. So and there is a units also there. So units of dipole moment is equal to units of mu, that is equal to 1 divide. So therefore 1 divide is equal to 3.33 into 10 upon minus 30 coulomb meters is nothing but coulomb meter. Coulombs is the charge for the electrons and m that is equal to meters. Meter for the distance. So this is the units of the dipole moment that is equal to mu is equal to 1 divide. ఇలా రాసేస్తాము. అర్థమైందా? Next one. Applications and there is another units are also there that is equal to 1 ESA 1 divide is equal to another one more. 1 divide is equal to 4.8 into 10 upon minus 10 ESU that is equal to electrostatic units. So this is the CGS units and this is the SI units. So 1 coulomb that is equal to minus 3.33 1 divide is equal to 3.33 into 10 to the power of minus 30. Next one, how to go to applications. There is a lot of applications is there. We have to explain the step by step manner. Simply exam applications of the dipole moment. ఎలా చెప్పుకుంటాము అంటే dipole moment applications అంటే first one example. If the molecule having a polar, if polar versus non-polar, మనం మాలిక్యూల్ అనేది పోలారా నాన్ పోలారా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. పోలార్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ది నాన్ పోలార్. మా పోలార్ వచ్చేసరికి mu is not equal to 0 and non polar is mu is equal to 0. Mu is equal to 0. So there is a charge is developed, is existed between the atoms in a molecule. So basically heteroatoms and basically there is a homoatomic molecules. Atomic molecules. Best example is H3 and O2 and F2. Because of there is no electronegative difference. These shared pair of electrons are not moving any side of the of both atoms. Like as a best example is hydrogen and hydrogen. So these shared pair of electrons are not moving any side. But in here that is equal to take an example HCl. Take as a HCl. So there is a compared to hydrogen, chlorine is a more electronegative. So that's why it has a more negative charge and this is the positive charge. So that's why there is a dipole is existed. So it can be acted as a polar. Polar is nothing but positive and negative is existed. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి ఏమంటామన్నా there is no polar because of the non polar molecules. Non polar is but no polar. No pole is no positive, no negative. So this is the example. So for this molecule dipole moment is 0. For molecules the mu is not equal to 0. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఇంకా కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తామో చూద్దాం. Applications like that. So in application we have to find the cis trans isomerism, percentage of ionic character, dipole moment of the molecules. Take one example. Applications. First applications is equal. So the dipole moment of the CO2. Dipole moment of the CO2, dipole moment of the BF3, dipole moment of the CH4, dipole moment of the PCl5. So these are the different compounds are there. So CO2 I have to write the structure is linear structure according to hybridization concept. Carbon dioxide shape is linear. Even though we have to solve the according to Lewis dot structure, CO2 structure is like this. CO2 structure ni మనం ఇలా రాస్తాము, రైట్? ఇప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా చూస్తున్నా compared to carbon, oxygen is more electronegative. The dipole moment is this direction. Similarly, compared to carbon, oxygen having the more electronegative, so there is a dipole moment is moved this direction. So the dipole moment can be represented as a cross arrow. If the only we have to write the arrow that is equal to coordinate covalent bond, but in our concept is dipole moment. Dipole moment is represented as a cross. So both are completely opposite. Completely opposite. So that's why they are cancellation. Then dipole moment mu is equal to 0. So next one is BF3. BF3 is a shape is trigonal planar. So ultimately compared to boron, fluorine is a more electronegative. Not only boron atom, in a periodic table fluorine is the highest electronegativity. So these three are both are completely opposite. So that's why the mu is equal to 0. It is a non-polar bond because of all are completely opposite direction. Similarly CH4. CH4 is a tetrahedral shape. So compared to carbon, hydrogen is a less electronegative. So there is a dipole moment this direction and this is the direction and this is the completely opposite. These are also opposite. Then mu is equal to 0. So some of the dipole moment will be totally cancellation. So this is the dipole moment. Ultimately, sir, is there any easy identification method? Simple trick. So now this type of problems you have to solve one trick. What is the trick of this solution? If a molecule having no lone pair, no lone pair, then dipole moment is 0. Then mu is equal to 0. So ultimately in CO2 molecule, in CO2, BF3, next one CH4, PCl5, not only PCl5, SF6 and IF7. So there is a 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0 according to hybridization. Our shortcut formula, there is a shortcut formula is there na, number of surrounded atoms plus group number of the central atom minus valence of the surrounded atom by 2. Serial number 2 0, 3 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3 4 plus 0, 3 plus 2. Basing on this table, so 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 5 plus 0 and 6 plus 0 and 7 plus 0. So this is the 2 is the bond pairs and this is the lone pair. So bond pairs and lone pair, each compound having 0 lone pair, ultimately then all are having the dipole moment is becomes 0. So we don't write any structure of the compound. Ultimately you can easily identify the molecule having the dipole moment, having the permanent dipole moment or 0 dipole moment. Simply trick. What is the trick? If the molecule having no lone pair, according to hybridization, you have to easily find out the having lone pair or having non-lone pair. Simple example NH3. So according to our formula of the hybridization, number of surrounded atoms plus group number of the central atom. For central atom is always there only one. 5 minus valence of the surrounded atom by 2. Valence of the hydrogen is 1. There is a 3 hydrogen atoms are there by 2. That is equal to 3 plus 1. That is equal to hybridization is 4. The 4 is nothing but sp3. Shape is pyramidal and having one lone pair, the dipole moment is not equal to 0. So it has some permanent dipole moment. So I hope this is easily understanding of the dipole moment. నేను ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి చెప్తాను, చిన్నగా ఒకటి క్లియర్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతాను. డోంట్ వరీ, మీరు అడిగిన డౌట్స్ ప్రతిదీ కూడా నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి రెడీగా ఉంది. ఎనీవే థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.